In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on gohighlevel in just about 5 minutes. Tags are crucial for managing and segmenting your contacts effectively, allowing for personalized communication and ultimately driving your marketing efforts forward. So let's dive straight into the process, which is simpler than you might think, but important to get right. First and foremost, you'll need to navigate to gohighlevel's main page. This is your first step to managing tags seamlessly within the platform. Once you're there, the next move is to get into your account. This is done simply by clicking on the Login to App button prominently displayed on the screen. This is where your journey within gohighlevel begins. After you've initiated the login process, the screen will prompt you for your email address. Enter the email associated with your gohighlevel account. Be sure you input it correctly to avoid any issues accessing your account. Following your email entry, the next immediate step is to enter your password. It's a good practice to ensure your password is both strong and memorable. If you've forgotten it, there's typically an option to reset it, but let's hope you remember it this time. Once your credentials are successfully inputted, you can proceed by clicking on the Sign In button. This action will take you closer to the heart of your account, but there's another security step to ensure your account's safety. gohighlevel values the security of your data, so you'll be prompted to click on Send Security Code. This extra layer of security ensures that only authorized users can access the account. Check your email for the code, enter it in the provided space, and confirm your identity to the platform. After the security check, you'll find yourself at the gohighlevel dashboard, and this central hub is where all the magic happens. From here, you can access various functionalities, including the settings where tags are managed. Next, you'll need to click on Settings located within your dashboard. This area allows you to customize and manage different aspects of your gohighlevel account. For our purpose, locating and managing tags, this is where you'll want to be. Within the settings menu, look for and click on the Tags section. This area is dedicated to the creation and management of tags, which are vital for organizing your contacts. Once in the Tags menu, you're ready to create a new tag. Simply click on Add New Tag. This is where you get to define how you segment your contacts. Think carefully about the names of your tags. They should be descriptive enough to understand what contacts they will include at a glance. After clicking on Add New Tag, you'll be prompted to name your new tag. This step is crucial as it's how you will identify this segment of your contacts moving forward. Write the name of your new tag in the designated field. When you're satisfied with the name, finalize the process by clicking on Create. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new tag to your gohighlevel account. With this new tag created, you can now go ahead and assign it to your contacts, making it much easier to manage and communicate with them based on their interests, behaviors, or any other criteria you see fit. Remember, the key to effective tagging is consistency and relevance. Ensure that the tags you create are meaningful and applied consistently across your contacts. This strategy will enhance your ability to send targeted communications that resonate with your audience, which is a cornerstone of effective digital marketing. Taking the time to properly set up and manage tags in gohighlevel not only helps in organizing your contacts, but also sets the stage for more personalized and effective marketing campaigns. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to maximizing the potential of your marketing efforts with gohighlevel. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you make the most out of your digital marketing platforms. Happy tagging!